Today you join me in East Anglia. Yes, it is windy, it's a bit cold, but it's fine because I'm here to meet Andy from Scuffs Alloys. He's been using our 1215 wheel blaster and we just want to see how he's been getting on with it. So let's go.
These things sell themselves.
That's it.
I sent a video just like this to my mate and he was basically like, where do I sign?
Yeah. Andy, lovely to meet you. Obviously you've got the 1215.
Yep.
Now the business, is this business yours? Are you the...
It is, yep.
You're the manager?
Yep.
And how long have you actually had the Aquablast for?
Aquablast just over a year now.
Just over a year?
Yep, just over a year.
And is it something that you use on a daily basis? I mean, I've seen your business and I know that this is something that you would use on a daily basis, but...
Daily basis, more like an hourly basis.
An hourly basis. Yeah. I was going to say, now in terms of the media that we're using at the moment, because we've got a diamond cut alloy in there.
Yep.
What media are you using at this point in time?
Whatever it's set at.
I'm guessing because you wanted to scuff the alloy, you wanted to, it's going to be ready for painting. I'm guessing.
So all we basically use it for is obviously for a clean up and scrub up.
Yeah.
Both of those it does an absolutely fantastic job at. I don't want to be blasting too deep, so we don't use anything too coarse at all. There are times when it would have been nice to maybe use something a little bit coarser, but to be honest, that's not where our business is. That's not what we're really after. No, we're really after just getting it ready or rub it down in a quick paint.
A quick paint as well. Now, chances are you probably are using the aluminium oxide, maybe not the coarser grain, maybe just a little bit on the finer side. Like you said, you don't want to damage the alloy. I know that one's got a nasty scuff on it. I don't know what happened. Looks like it's been dropped, to be honest with you.
Pretty much.
So we're going to use it.
Out of it.
So we're going to use the 1215 and we're going to get that alloy blasted. And yeah, we'll just go from that. Okay. Perfect. So here we go, the 1215 Aquablast wheel blaster. As you see there, we've got a nice alloy going in here, ready to be blasted. There's some nasty scuffs here. That's very deep as well. That is very, very deep alloy. You can just see that there. It's a very deep cut on that. So now these are diamond cuts. So Andy's going to demonstrate how the wheel blaster works on the diamond cut alloys because this is going to be a first for me as well. I've never seen it perform on diamond cuts before. I've always seen it on painted wheels. So right, okay, we'll get it set up. We'll go from there. Scuffed it up nice. Obviously that's something that's something that's repairable.
They're being cut, yeah.
So that's something from yourself. But again, when you actually run your finger over it, you can tell the grain on it.
Crucially for our point, when we're doing a cut and clear, that gets it to the point of where we're then ready to put it straight to the cut. That comes back out the cut, just gets lacquered, nothing else.
See that difference already there. Yeah. It's sort of like, in a way you could call it discoloured, but it isn't, is it? It's just ready to, just one layer off. But no, I mean, with the Aquablast, you've had it for a year now. Obviously I don't want you to recommend it to your competitors, but is this something that you would recommend?
What it takes away is any need for chemicals, which is crucial for one. Less chemicals is always good, less kosh. But at the same time, less abrasives. Trying to scotch that up by hand would take a lot more time.
A long time.
So yeah, that gets it nice and even. Cleaning is 80% of it. The fact that it comes out completely blasted up and ready to then paint. If it was a standard painting wheel, for that amount of damage, 5 minutes in the blaster, 2 minutes in prep, that's in for paint.
And ready to go again. Yeah, that's it. I mean, with stuff like this, usually when they're trying to scuff it, they're trying to use a dry blast. But obviously with a dry blast, you get the whole,
We avoided dry blast purely because dust.
Yeah,
just didn't
that
want
was
the
just
dust
about
in
to say,
here.
yeah.
We've obviously got painting in here as well.
Yeah.
Crucially, we do wheels and we do paint. So didn't want the dust in here. So yeah, that was one of the
Seemed to be, it's the best
for
option for you, for sure.
Yeah.
Massive thank you to Andy for having us over here at Scuffs Alloys and showing us his business and what he uses the Aquablast wheel blaster for. And as you saw, the diamond cut alloys, you know, they do need a little bit of extra care, and it's not the same finish as with a painted alloy. Like, you won't see an actual, you know, visible difference till you look very closely. But the main job of Andy's business is to scuff the alloys and get them ready for painting, or obviously for putting through the diamond lathe. So yeah, thank you so much to Andy, and hopefully we will see him again, and go check out his website, his socials, all that kind of good stuff. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want to see more of these videos where we go and visit customers. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. Until then, stay tuned and stay safe.